Good boy. Bobby, spin. Good boy.
You need to tell me what kind of dog you have, because I feel like everyone has a lab, golden retriever.
Nobody ever believes me when I tell them what kind of dog I have. One of his parents was a pit bull, and the other one was a wiener dog. Hey, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at them short little things. You're so beautiful.
Travis, I need to talk to you.
What?
Oh. This is a private conversation. So.
Hey, you! What are you doing? Come here. Good girl. Come on, Tango. Good girl.
Bear! Bear!
It's a baby.
Bear!
Stop!
It's a baby.
Bear! Bear! Bear!
Wasn't kidding.
Wash your bum bum every single day. Wash your bum bum, wash the dirt away. Now the bum bum's squeaky clean, but there's no towel to be seen. But we can always shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. We can always shake it till it's right.
You know, I live in my college dorm with my cat, and she's always sitting at this door like something is there, and it freaks me out. And I learned the other day it's because people like to sit here and play with the cat under the goddamn door. Oh my god, now come back. No.
Tell me you're a crazy dog person without telling me you're a crazy dog person. Here, I'll start.
Whoa. Relax. That is my booty. Oh my god.
Yeah. Come here, baby. It's okay. Come on. Oh, whoa!
Come on.
Find one that is on the ground and not flying around.
Come on, Flip. Good job.
The way it reproduces, it's creepy. It's probably the worst.
So I was looking for my cat and I found her behind the blinds and I thought, oh, you know, what a cute little loaf. And I wanted to go take a video of her from the front. So I hopped over, here and
We do not treat you that bad, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Stop playing, bro. Leo, stop playing, bro. Leo, bro, stop playing, bro. Look at me, bro. Bro, stop. Stop it. Bro.